Welcome all on my YouTube channel JNS Basic Zoology. Our today's topic is the application of remote sensing technique in pelagic fishery. Pelagic fishery is applied to the animal live at the surface of ocean away from the coast, that is those organisms living deeply in the seawater. That organism can be netted catch with the help of this technique. The satellite derived information is used for the fishing. This is the purpose of this technique. The Nodal Institute for Marine Fishery Research, that is the Central Marine Fishery Research Institutes under Indian Council of Agriculture Research, has collaborating with the Department of Space and Department of Ocean Development, Government of India in the national project on ocean related sensing program started in 1995. That is, this technique is used in India by the year 1995. It provides the data of oceanic parameters to end users. Some parameters are given to the users like satellite information of fish availability, presence of phytoplankton density, sea surface temperature. These are the important parameters by which the users can know about the fish and their percentage. Aim to study the potential favorable location for pelagic area to decrease the fishing expenditure. By this technique, we can easily detect the pelagic areas where such type of fishes are mainly found, due to which we can decrease the fishing expenditure. By this technique, day-to-day details updates of different parameters like sea surface temperature, phytoplankton concentration, dissolved oxygen, pH, salinity, wind direction, turbidity, total suspended solids is provided. It is one of the most important method for environmental monitoring in the coastal areas to understand the nature and state of geographical environmental changes in different regions. It also suggests the possibility of the further natural disasters could trigger unexpected damage, and small fishermen get help to reduce searching time for fish shoals, and thereby effecting an overall reduction in cost of fishing operation. By this technique, we can get the knowledge about the environmental changes related to the ocean, and anyone or the fisherman can get the knowledge and to catch the fish, and the searching time of the fisherman can be decreased, and due to which overall reduction in the cost of fishing operation takes place. Fishes harvested by these methods are some fish species which is netted by this technique, that is tuna fish, in that having skipjack tuna, blue fin tuna, yellow fin tuna, like this. Some of the bill fish also included in our catch by this technique, that is a broad bill, swordfish, etc. Different type of nets are used for fishings are persian, gill nets, trawl nets, hooks and lines. The fishing is done in November to January. During this period, November to January, the fishing takes place with the help of this technique. By this technique, potential fishing zones have been strengthened. Nowadays, local digital display boards are used. This is the advanced techniques used nowadays by these remote sensing techniques. Use of high technology equipment with moderate systems along with satellite images the pelagic fish production has been increased by 2.20 million tons, which was up to 1993, which increased up to 3 million tons to 2010. PFZ advisors are being generated by National Remote Sensing Agency Hyderabad twice a week over 160 centers all along the Indian coast. By this agency, which is having 160 centers all along the Indian coast, the data is provided to the fishermen. Which are the significance of the remote sensing technology in pelagic fishery? In that, first significance is utilization of marine resources by costing minimum expenditure. It helps to concentrate the potential fishing zones. It provides oceanographic data for fish collection. Fishing becomes easy with required maps of the area and fish availability. This study demonstrates applicability at hyperspectral data to detect changes in coastal environment. This study suggests possibility of future natural disasters. Due to this technique, fish capture of pelagic area has been increased, which playing an important role in improvement of Indian economy. So, these are some points related to remote sensing technology and their uses in pelagic area. So, thank you for watching this video.